is your first clue. Go to where we find food. What? Where we find food. Okay. You're doing it.
Look for another clue.
Okay. Your next clue is where you can find a Toy Story and Bottoman. What? Bottoman?
Batman.
Batman. Okay, Toy Story and Batman.
It's only downstairs.
I want to find it here.
Matthew, what are those? What are they?
Toys.
No. You watch them, so what are they?
TV shows?
What is Toy Story? It's not a TV show. What is it?
Thing?
Starts with an M.
Movie?
Okay.
So where are the movies?
No.
Oh! Weird.
So dark over here.
No, it's not more. You're getting colder. You're getting colder. Cold, cold. Matthew, if you're getting colder, you usually don't go in the same place. It's in the middle.
Oh, got it. Third clue. Go to where bakes cakes. Okay.
What? Oven? Yes. Where else?
Matthew, where do you put a cake when you're making it?
In the oven?
I don't know.
Why'd you put it in the oven? First it's cold. First you give it to me. Second, it's cold. Fourth, it's warm. And
What does it say?
oh, okay. Okay. The next note is under where Dewey sleeps. I see it. Go to the
Stinkiest?
stinkiest place. What?
Wrong way.
What's stinky down here?
Laundry?
No, it smells
Laundry's
good.
Okay.
Where do you put your trash?
You just told me trash.
Matthew, open it again. Open it again. Oh my gosh. Look at the lid.
What? No, your next clue is where you make music. The piano. Oh, yeah. treasure where the cans are. Cans.
Oh. You found the treasure.
I could have just opened it on the first clue.
That would have been quicker, wouldn't it?
Yeah.